Hello, my dear family members. As Accenture on campus is ahead, so we will upload all the MS Office questions in a single video. So let's start. So the first question is this, right? So in Excel, what does the index match combination function primarily do? Looks up values in a vertical direction, performs a vertical search in a range and returns a value from the same row, or performs a horizontal search in a range and returns a value from the same column, or retrieves a value at the intersection of a specified row and column in a table or row. Okay, so if you have to know about index match function both, so that you can answer this very easily, right? So I have already discussed about these functions. Please watch the playlist of Accenture so that it will be easier to you to answer, right? So the correct answer will be uh, performs a vertical search in a range and returns a value from the same row, right? So I hope you understood. Okay, so this is the correct answer. So the next question is, which Excel function allows you to perform calculation based on multiple conditions, if, and, or if error? This is the recent question, so I hope it will give importance to these questions, right? Actually, this seems to be very easy, but this was actually asked, right? So I hope you understood what's the question is. So the correct answer will be and, right? If you use and, then it allows you to perform calculation based on multiple conditions, right? Okay, so the next question is, what is a named range in Excel? A range of cells that is assigned in a unique name for easy reference in formulas, a range of cells that contains only numeric values, or a range of cells that is protected from editing, and a range of cells with specific formatting applied. So I hope you will give the answer. I am not going to give the answer. This is a quiz question for you. Please give the answer, right? So what's the correct answer? I'll wait for you, whoever is giving the answer first, right? Okay, so the next question is, how can you create dynamic drop down list in Excel? Using the data validation feature with a fixed range, using the data validation feature with a named range, or using the index match function combination, or using the concatenate function. What will you use to create a dynamic drop down list in Excel? Please pause the video, think a little, then give the answer. Okay, so the correct answer will be using the data validation feature with a named range, right? So B will be the correct answer. Okay, if you faced any issue, if you want to know about these functions, these facilities of Excel, then let me know. I'll create a separate playlist of this, right? Okay, so the next question is, what is the purpose of the indirect function in Excel? To calculate the sum of values in a range, to convert text to uppercase, to return the reference specified by text string, or to count the number of cells that meet specific criteria. So the correct answer will be what? I'm giving you some time. Please think about it and then give answer. Okay. So the correct answer will be to return the reference specified by a text string, right? So C will be the correct answer, C. Okay, so I hope you understood. The next question is, how can you use the sum product function in Excel to calculate the sum of two ranges, to calculate the sum of products of corresponding values in two more arrays, or to calculate the sum of values based on a single condition, or to calculate the sum of values based on multiple conditions? Before I give the answer, I would recommend you to have the prime materials of Accenture, in which I have included all the coding questions, all the MS Office and cloud-based questions which are important for upcoming drive, right? So to get that, knock me at waste ID, instagram.com/techno.tf, you will get it. And please be mindful, this is paid. Okay. So the next question, sorry, the answer is what? To calculate the sum of product of corresponding values in two or more arrays, right? So option B will be correct. Okay, so the next option, the next question is, which Excel feature allows you to analyze and visualize data in real-time dashboards? Most of the questions are from Excel. 99% questions are from Excel. So next session will be from another MS Office application. So please be tuned and please subscribe this so that you can get the latest updates. Okay, so the correct answer will be from pivot tables, Power Query, Power Pivot, or Power BI. Which will be the correct answer? Which features allows you, right? So the Power BI features allows you to analyze and visualize data in real-time dashboard, right? So I hope you understood. So the next question and the last question is a quiz question for you. Which Excel tools is used for dynamic data analysis and summarization? Charts, named ranges, pivot tables, and or conditional formatting. What will be the correct answer? So I am very eagerly waiting for your response. Please give the answer in the comment section. Please motivate me commenting more, right? While using formulas in Excel, the notation B8 is to B10 indicates all cells from B8 to B10, the product of cell B8 and cell B10, or cell B8 and cell B10 only, or cell B only. So what this indicates? So B8 is to B10. I think you might have used in sum, right? Sum B8 is to B10. So this returns all the this return addition of all the values from B8 to B10, right? So that's why output should be, I mean, the answer should be all cells from B8 to B10, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. How would you insert the international character shown in the image given below? So this is like a reverse question mark, right? So what should be your answer? So this seems like very simple question, but this is the question in which the candidates make mostly fault, right? So please give the answer in the comment section before I give, right? Okay, so the correct answer will be Control Shift Alt and question mark, right? So I hope you will try in the Word or Excel and you will get the same, right? Okay, so the next question is, so before I proceed to the next question, I would like to remind you that I have prepared a prime materials for Accenture or TCS NQT or any company that you want. So if you want those, then please knock me at my Insta ID, instagram.com/tekno.evf. You will get it, right? So you will get all the recent questions, all the previous year questions, all the mock test, right? So you must need this. Okay, so let's go to the next question. So which of these software applications was not part of the first version of Microsoft Office? MS Paint, MS Outlook, PowerPoint, or MS Word? So I hope you might have knowledge about this, the answer, but might not have also, right? So the correct answer in this case will be Outlook. So this software was not part of the first version of Microsoft Office, right? Okay. So the next question is, which feature is used to make selected sentence to all capital letters or all small letters? Change letter, change sentence, change case, or change word? So from the letter itself, from the option itself, you can go with the answer, right? So the correct answer will be change case, right? So you can change all the selected sentence to capital letters or small letters using change case feature, right? In MS Word or in any MS application. Okay, so the next question is, a feature of MS Office that saves the document automatically after certain interval is called Web Page Explorer, Front Page, or Dreamweaver. So this might be a tricky question because the name itself does not explain the answer, right? So the correct answer will be in this case front page, right? So sometimes logic does not work, so you have to remember the option, right? Remember the actual option. Okay, the next question is, following are the statements given about font in MS Word. So statement 1 is, when you activate the mini translator, it will stay active until you deactivate it within the translation menu. And statement 2 is, when the mini translator is activated, the document will be sent to the Microsoft Translator as you type. So there are two statements given. You have to choose the correct answer from the option given below. Okay, so both the statements are correct, or both the statements are incorrect, or only statement 2 or only statement 1 is correct. So please read carefully and think a little, then give the answer what should be the correct option. Statement 1 or statement 2, or both the statements are correct, or both the statements are incorrect. Okay, so let me answer it. When you activate the mini translator, it will stay active until you deactivate it within the translation menu. And this option is correct, and this statement 2 is also correct. When the mini translator is activated, the document will be sent to Microsoft Translator as you type, right? So the correct answer will be option A. Okay, so the next question is, you notice that words numbering command is supplying automatic numbers to sequential paragraphs. What can be done to stop this numbering? Click the numbering button again, press the enter key twice to stop numbering, choose the correct answers from the options given below. Okay, so neither one nor two, only one, both one and two, only two. So please give me the answer in the comment section, okay, before I give answer. Okay, so guys, if you want to discuss any placement related questions, if you have any queries related to your placement, then you can join our Telegram channel t.me/ubkanna. You will have many answers in that group, so I request you to join that group. Okay, so I hope up to now you have pointed out the correct answer. So the correct answer will be both 1 and 2, right? You have to click the numbering button again and you have to press the enter key twice to stop the numbering. Okay, so this is a feature, that's why you can stop the numbering, right? Okay, so the next question is, which of the following is a type of connection that helps us navigate from one slide to another slide in the same presentation and to a slide in another presentation? So this is a very basic questions, and which is related to PPT PowerPoint. So if you have used PowerPoint once in your life, then you can answer this, right? So please wait, there is a quiz question after this. So I hope you will give the answer of the quiz question in the comment section. Okay, so what will be the answer in this case? So correct answer will be hyperlink. Okay, so the next question is, which of the following can be used to close a tab on a browser? So just now perform this. You just open a new tab and click Ctrl T, and open a new tab and click Ctrl A or Ctrl W or Ctrl X and see what works. So I hope you performed. Yes, the Ctrl W is the correct answer. Okay, so if you type Ctrl W, then your current tab will be closed, right? Okay, so the next question is a quiz question for you. I will not give answer of this. If you by an accident, if by an accident a mail is deleted, then which of the following folders will save mail? Draft, spam, inbox, or trash? So the name itself, I think, suggest the answer. So if you are very smart, then you can answer the questions. So please give the answer in the comment section before anyone give, right? So let's see who can give the answer first. In a PowerPoint presentation, a user wants to create a table that has two columns, S number and company, as shown in the given image. Which of the following options is the initial step when creating the table? So as you can see, this is the image, I mean the table figure. S number and company are two columns, name, and this is the heading also. Okay, and total 12 rows are there including the heading. Okay, so these are the options. Please pause the video and try to answer. So the first option is, at first insert, then table, then select the 12 rows and 2 columns, or you will do this option 2, insert, then table, then insert table, number of columns 2 and number of rows as 12, then okay. So I hope you are you are able to see the other options as well. So please pause the video and try to answer the options, because this will be very much helpful while your exam as well. Okay, so let me show you what you have to do. Okay, so in PowerPoint, okay, so if you want to create tables, so as you can see, there are only 2x8 available, not up to 12. Okay, so if you want to insert 12 rows or 11 rows, then you have to click on the insert, then you have to enter the number of columns at first, that is 2, and including the heading table, heading rows, you have to include total 12 rows. Okay, so you can create this type of column. That means, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, so total 12. But apart from the header, you will have total 11 rows. Okay, so this way you have to do. That means at first you have to insert, you have to click on insert, sorry, you have to click on insert table, then you have to enter the column number, then you have to enter the row number, then okay. So this is the correct option. Which one this is? So this option 2. Okay, so insert, then table, then insert table, then number of columns as 2 and number of rows as 12, then okay. So option 2 is the correct answer. So I have not pen right now with me, so please tick this. Okay, so option 2 is the correct answer. So let me show you the next question, but before we proceed to the next question, I'd recommend you to have the prime materials of Accenture, in which I have included all the recent MS Office questions with answer and all the coding questions with answer as well, right? So to get that, knock me at my Insta ID, instagram.com/tekno.ef. You will get it, and be mindful this is paid. Okay, so let's go to the next question, that is this. So you have, let's say if you have an English documentation that you need to send to Spanish speaking friend who doesn't not understand English, which tool in MS Word can assist both you and your friend in understanding the document? So here are the options. Those are what? Thesaurus tool and translate tool, research tool, and spelling and grammar check. So what tool will you use? Okay, so I hope you understood what you need to do. So let me show you what you can do. Okay, so in MS Word you can go in the review button, review section, and you can see here is a translate option, translate tool. You can use this to make the work easier for both, like for you and your Spanish speaking friend. Okay, so that means the translate tool, the option 2, option B will be the correct answer. Okay, so please click, please tick on this. This is the correct answer. I have not pen, so that's why I'm not picking, I'm not ticking on it. Okay, so let's go to the next question, that is this. You are working on a 50-page business report in MS Word. You used a custom logo for your company on page 1 in the header, which is the same for every page. However, you are informed that the logo has been updated and you need to replace it in your report. What is the most efficient way to accomplish this? So as you can see, this is the header you can see in the Word file. So what options will be the most correct? Manually replace the logo on each page, use the find and replace tool to replace the image, or delete the old image and insert the new logo on the first page, or edit the header, delete the old logo, insert the new logo. What will be the correct answer? So among the options, option D will be the correct option. Okay, I am please tick on it. Okay, I'm just showing you how. So let's say this is the image, which is a header. Okay, just what you need to do, just edit it and just delete it and replace it with another image. Okay, so let's let's take it. Okay, so as you can see, all the old images of header were changed. Okay, so this way you can do that. That's why option 4, option D will be the correct answer. Edit the header, delete the old logo, and insert the new logo. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, so let me show you the next question, that is this. Okay, so while applying conditional formatting in Excel, we can check the conditions against formula, cell value, or table. So options are only 1, only 2, or both 1 and 2, and both 2 and 3. What options will be the correct option? So I hope you will pause the video and try to answer the questions. But before I proceed to answer, I will again recommend you to have the prime materials. Okay, so that you can crack it easily. And if you want to discuss more, then please join our Telegram channel t.me/cbkanna. Okay, and please follow our Instagram channel, instagram.com/tekno.ef. Okay, so let's discuss the question. So what will be the correct answer? So formula and cell value both will be the correct answer. Okay, so we can check the conditions against formula and cell value both. Okay, so this is to remember. Okay, so let me show you the next question, that will be a quiz question for you. Okay, so this is the last question and the quiz question for you. You are working on a research paper that requires extensive citation and referencing. You want to add footnotes to your document using Microsoft Word. Which of the given options in Microsoft Word allows you to insert footnotes in your document? So the options are insert then text box, page layout, then footnote, references, then insert footnote, view, then reading view. So please think wisely and give the answers very carefully, okay, so that it will be helpful for you only, not for me. Okay, so I hope this much of discussion is also helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe this channel, and if you want more such content, then please recommend me in the comment section that you want more MS Office questions, more MS Office solutions, right? So that I can aware of that. Okay, so thank you for today's session.